Om Ganana Tva Ganapatikum Avamahe Kavim Kavinam Umarshravastamam Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspada Anashrinvanodibisi Dasadanam Shri Mahaganapataye Namaha Prano Devi Saraswati Vaje Bhirvajinivati Deenam Avitrevato Mahasaraswati Namaha Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Guruve Sarvalokanam Vishije Bhavaroginam Nideye Sarva Vidyanam Shri Dakshina Murtaye Namaha अस्मिन् गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः देवीं वाचमजनयन्त देवाः तां विश्वरूपा पशवो वदन्ति सा नो मन्द्रेषु मूर्जन्दुहाना धेनुर्वागस्मानुपतिष्ठदयतु व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्ते पौत्रमकल्मषं पराशरात्मजं वन्दे शुकदातं तपोनिधिं व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः शिवशक्तिसमारम्भां भास्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मश्रीनाथपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् श्री ललिता महात्रिपुरसुंदरी समेत श्री चंद्रमौलीश्वराय नमः श्री कांची कामकोटि पीठाधिपति जगद्गुरु श्री शंकराचार्य श्री चरणयोः प्रणामाः श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः पोनदरम we completed Aditya.
Yeah.
Does anybody know what is Aditya?
Yeah.
Surya Deva's name.
Surya Devata. Correct. Where is Surya Devata?
In the sky?
What?
In the sky?
Yeah.
What was your question?
Where is the Surya Devata?
Oh, okay.
In the sky?
He is saying sky. I'm talking of the position with respect to Earth.
Oh, I never heard of that.
Good.
Good. Question is good.
Is your mom able to help you?
Oh, in the center?
Correct. Center of what?
The solar system?
Padmaja, good morning. Navagraha Suktam. Script irka? We finished Surya last time. We are starting with Soma and Angaraka. Inniki. Okay, va? So, center of what? Nirvan.
The center of the solar system.
That's a complete answer. Good job.
Oh,
Good job. Correct?
okay.
If somebody asks you, are you tall or short? Will you answer shorter? That's an incomplete answer, correct?
Mm.
When you say shorter, then you'll have to say shorter with respect to what? Same way, when you say
I'm shorter than you.
correct. So it is always comparison, shorter than. So that is a complete sentence. Same way, when you talk of center, you have to say center of the solar system. That's a complete answer. So then there are other planets that are revolving around the sun in various orbits.
Yeah, Mars.
Are the orbits circular in nature?
Maybe. Yeah.
Elliptical.
What's elliptical?
Yes.
Oh.
See, I'm giving homework to your mom. So good. That's how you learn. All right. So we did Surya, and we are going to go to Soma. So you have the script. Can you tell me what is the Adi Devata for Soma or Chandra, and what is the Pratiti Devata?
The Adi Devata is Appa, and the Pratyadi Devata is Gauri.
Correct.
Okay, because on our sheet it's backwards, so I just did it the backwards.
Is it backwards?
Yeah.
Why?
It just said the Adi Devata is Gauri and the Pratyadi Devata.
Where did you pick up the script from?
I don't know. From the
Illiye. I have the Vedic Sampradaya script. It is showing it right.
It is only Kapha is
What
water.
version is that?
Devata is Gauri.
Adi Devata is water. Pratyadi Devata is Gauri.
Correct. But what he's saying is the script that he has, adila opposite are curved in. What version is that?
It is the one that is on the right beta also right now.
No, I am picking it up from the iCloud.
Version 0.3 it says.
Yeah, but version 0.3 very, very clearly says Adidevata water and Pratyadi Devata Gauri.
Yeah, Gauri.
But ours says that Adi Devata Gauri and Pratyadi Devata Apa.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're using what? Telugu script or what?
English.
Sanskrit and English.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sanskrit. I'm looking at Sanskrit that's showing properly. So check what is wrong.
Even in Tamil it is correct.
Correct. Okay.
It's
So we'll
fine.
figure.
Water and
Yeah,
It's
we'll
fine.
figure.
We can just. I think it's fine. We should just ignore it and move on.
Yeah, we'll figure out the script issue offline. Let's get started with the class, right?
Yeah.
So before you do that, somebody needs to understand what is Adidevata and Pratyadi Devata. Why suddenly that is so important?
Adi Devata is the natural. Pratyadi Devata is the spiritual.
What did he say exactly?
Adi Devata is mental, and Pratyadi Devata is spiritual.
Correct. It is not difference. When a kid comes to the class, that's a difference. Right? Well prepared with the homework, is going to answer the questions, and he energizes the class. So, well done, Nirvan.
Thank you.
So that's precisely what it is. So Adidevatangiradhu vande, it represents the mental and the spirit, the mental and emotional energy of the planet. The mental and emotional energy of the planet, often linked to the subconscious.
Subconscious.
Yeah. So when you worship that or when you propitiate the Adidevata, it allows the rectification of attitudes and mental habits related to that planet's influence. So each planet, I said, it influences the humans, right? So when you propitiate the Adidevata, it allows the rectification of attitudes and mental habits related to the planet's influence. So that is why that is important. Now, Pratyadi Devata is the supporting or soul deity. SOUL, not SOLE. SOUL. So it acts as the supreme commander or protective aspect of the planet.
Spiritual.
So they are invoked for protection,
Protect.
removing the severe obstacles,
Okay.
deep spiritual cleansing,
Deep spiritual.
and solving issues that cannot be fixed by simple materialistic remedies. Can you give an example of materialistic remedies?
Medicine.
Yes.
What is materialistic remedy?
Something physical.
Yeah, feel like that.
Huh?
As Nirvan said, medicines, something which you can feel, touch, eat.
No. That is, medicine is not materialistic. Materialistic means you give some item.
Oh.
So it's not or you say
Meme.
you give a gift or something like that. So it's more of a materialistic remedy to a problem. Oh, you're suffering from poverty or you're poor. I'll give you donation or charity or something like that. That's more materialistic. Yeah.
Food.
Correct. All of those things fall into that category. So your protection that you need from these planets will not be solved by that. So you can also count like இன்னைக்கு பகவானுக்கு 108 கொழுக்கட்டை பண்ணி போட்டுடுறேன் all that stuff. That really doesn't. So they're all in the materialistic side of it. So that is what the significance of Adidevata and Pratyadi Devata is. So with that, we will get started with the actual Rick. Apyayasva sametute. It is எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து பண்ணுங்க, all of you together. Apyayasva Sametu te. One more time. ராஜன் நீங்க சாண்ட் பண்றதுல மியூட் மைக் மியூட் பண்ணாத அதை எடுத்துருங்க so that I can hear you. Yeah. Vishwatas Soma. Vrishniyam. Correct. I'm not going to do the complete one now. You all practice whatever is being taught, and then in one of the class we will do the full revision. Okay, that way it will be easy. Bhavavajasya. So please pay attention to the swara. Two of you are chanting it wrong. Bhava, totally without swara. So you'll have to pay attention. Bhava, va is going down, anudata. Bha is udata. Bhava, vajasya. Now it is correct. One more time. Sangathe. Apso me somo. Correct. Whoever did that, mother and son, mo is too long. So again I will explain the concept of matra. One letter bha is one matra. A, one matra. Right? Va, two matra. Dirgham. The moment I raise my hand, all balloons start coming in YouTube. This is automatic emoji feature and all this crap. Very scary to do anything, hand gestures. I don't even know what all things will come up in the YouTube video. So is dirgham. Mo, dirgham. So one matra is quickly blink your eye once. That's it. So that is the time you have to give for a or bha. Va is two matra. So you blink your eyes twice. Chant va by blinking your eyes, and by the time you blink your eyes twice, the va should be done. Same way, mo should be done in two blinks. Mo. Correct? Mo.
Okay, got it.
Now if you do mo, that is 4 5 blinks. Your eyes will pain. So you don't want to do that. Right? So apso me somo. Correct. Abravidantar. Vishwani bheshaja. பத்மஜா கொஞ்சம் இறஞ்சி சொல்லுங்க நீங்களும். உங்களோட குரல் வரமாட்டேங்கிறது. And Rekha, you also.
You can't hear?
Both you and Padmaja, I cannot hear. Good. Now it is okay. So, Agnincha. Vishvashambhuva Mapascha Vishvabheshajihi I am already chanting very slow. You have to the least match with my speed. If you slow it down further, then it becomes a little bit of a stretch.
Okay.
Normal speed of chanting for me, it will be Om Apyayasva Sametute Vishwatas Soma Vrishniyam. This is my normal speed. So you can imagine when I'm chanting like Bha Va Va Jas, I'm already very slow. So don't slow it even more. Same speed you can match. Gauri Bhimaya Salilani Takshat Yekapadi Dvipadi Sa Chatushpadi Ashtapadi Navapadi. I think it is Rajan this time. Koncham D is going a little longer. I'm just saying it based on that blue rectangle that I get, because the person who chants, you get a blue rectangle around them. So based on that, I'm saying maybe it is somebody else, but I don't know. One of you is dragging it even more. So watch out for the matra. Now, Ashtapadi. Correct. Navapadi. Correct. Now, the next word is Ba for Balarama, Bhu for Bhavani. So, Ba Bhu, it has to transition properly. Ba Bhu Vashi.
It's Bushi or Vashi? It's Bushi, right?
Oh, sorry, Vushi. Yeah, what am I saying? Ba Bhu Vushi. Sahasra Akshara. Parame Vyoman. Badmaja, நீங்க மாத்திரம் சொல்லுங்க. பரமே. அனு. Aha, your swaras were mistake. I'll repeat it and you repeat exactly after me. Pa udata, ra anudata. Pa ra Para, again me udata. Para me. That is one part.
Me.
Then,
Parame.
what do I just I'm helping Anu. Para me.
Parame.
So now if you see the swara, you must know how to go down when there is anudata, right?
But me is same, right? Me is not.
Para me. I'm not saying para me. That is Swarita.
Me.
That's it. Only Ra has to go down. You were putting it as para me. Only me
Yeah,
was going down. So you have to be very careful which swara you're putting down and which swara is udata. Then Vyoman.
Vyoma.
Vyo is Swarita. Vyoman.
Vyoma.
Correct. Now I'm going to make Nirvan and Soumya chant. One by one.
Parame Vyoman.
Nirvan.
Parame Vyoman.
Super. Rekha.
Parame Vyoman.
Rajan.
Parame Vyoman.
Perfect. All of you got it right. So just pay attention to which akshara you're putting the swara anudata, which akshara comes back to udata. And when the swarita is there, make sure that you are not very stingy. Vyoman, that vyo has to go up, all swaritas. Now, that is the main this thing for Chandra or Soma. The next part, what is it called? The next line?
Mangala.
Mangala.
Any other answer? No, I'm not talking of the graha. I'm talking of the next line on the script. What is it?
Om
Om
Adidevata.
Adidevata
What is it?
Pratyakshadevata Sahitaya Somaya.
No, I didn't ask you to read. I asked, what is it?
Okay.
They're combining the Pratyak Devata is the Gauri and the Soma itself. Sahita Somaya.
No.
So
When
water.
when you have Vedic trained people who chant Vadyars, Ritviks, etc., it is always important to take their Ashirvadam. Their blessings are highly valuable. And if you notice, as soon as you do a Veda Parayanam or a Homam, everybody will start jumping and taking the Namaskaram and blessings from the Vadya. Before they get up and go and have food, they are fresh after chanting or after doing the Homam. It's most important to get the blessings at the same time. They did the Parayanam and the Homam and then they chatted for 1 hour or had lunch and then you go and take Ashirvadam. Yeah, it is still important, but it is less powerful. Remember, we are humans. We are very selfish. Whether it is God or Vadyar or Ritvik, we want our blessings, which pay back ROI immediately. So this is a line called Swasti, which the Vadyars will say. I have chanted the rigs for mantra for Soma. By chanting it, I have appealed or propitiated or worshipped that God. Therefore, Adidevata, Pratyadidevata, Sahitaya, with together, both of them, together with Adidevata and Pratyadidevata, Sahitaya means together. Somaya Namaha, you're worshipping to all of them. Namaha. And when you do Namaha, automatically what we are saying is, the Vadhyars will say, Soma Grahadosho Nirdosho Astu. Whatever is the dosham of that graham will become nirdosho, means you will be devoid of the dosha. Got it? This is the shortest swati. If you give nice dakshina to Vadyar will demonstrate his Vedic knowledge by putting a long swasti. That is the secret. So this is the shortest one. Let's go to Mangala, which is Tuesday. What is it called in English system?
Mars.
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 Do you know anything about Mars?
It's the planet. So it's so Mercury, Venus. After Venus, it's Earth here, and after Earth, it's Mars.
Fantastic answer. Anything else do you know about it?
It's known as the warrior planet.
What is the color of Mars?
Red.
Correct. In our system astrology also we say Mangala or Mangalik is supposed to be a very big dosha. In good old days, people will say if the girl has got Mangalik dosha, don't marry her. I mean, she'll bring bad luck to the house. All those things exist in our system. We have to give some reason to reject somebody, and so they'll say that. But also understand, it's not just a negative view that you need to remember. When you have doshas like that, you can also do parihara. There are methods by which you neutralize those doshas, one of which is you're chanting that particular mantra for that. Prior, just like Earth, once upon a time, there was life in Mars.
Cool.
And that is why there is a lot of focus on Mars, because scientists believe, NASA and worldwide other scientists believe, we can revive that life on Mars. So much so, our genius Elon Musk is planning to send a spaceship.
Spaceship.
Yeah, maybe around 250, 300 people in that spaceship to establish the first human colony on Mars. He's very ambitious, very optimistic about it. So they're discovering some traces of Mars. And for the young geek here, do you know what is going on in Mars?
They're sending stuff up there, like spaceships.
That is correct. Good. You heard it and you said it correct. In addition to that, there are two robots that are actually roaming around on the surface of Mars for the last 10 years.
What?
It's called Spirit and
Spirit?
Curiosity.
Wait, what? Curiosity?
Yeah, it's like a automatic robotic car type of device which has got camera, which it can do drilling of the soil, collect the soil, analyze it, send the results of that in terms of soil composition and so on and so forth. So they're trying to find out if there have been traces of water. They will do all the chemical analysis, then they will observe, and the camera will constantly send 10K or 8K resolution pictures, which can be zoomed in and analyzed based on the ridges. They will determine once upon a time if there was water, the ridges will be formed like waves of water. So there are many, many ways by which they will determine that. So people are already tired of planet Earth. They have messed it up so much. They want to now go and mess up Mars. So that is the next target.
Mess what up? Like, what did they first mess up?
Yeah, you throw all the plastics into the ocean.
Oh.
You burn all the fossil fuels.
That's bad.
Yes. So when you grow up, try to fix it.
So they're trying to mess up Mars.
Yeah. So now here the Adidevata is Prithvi, which is Earth.
Because mine is the Adi Devata is Kshetrapala.
Yeah, that is something we have to consider, that you read it the other way around. Pratyadi Devata is Kshetrapala. So Agnir Murdha. Devah Kakotpatev. You understand what I did, right? Devaha will become Devah. Kakotpatihi will become Kakotpatev. PH. Prithivya ayam. Apagam. Vetagam sijinvati. Syona prithvi. Prasvarita, thi is udatta. Syona prithvi. No, two of you. Maybe Anu and Rajan are trying to do Prithvi. No. Prithvi. Yeah, Prithvi. Correct. Bhavan Rakshara. Niveshani. Yacha Nash Sharma. Saprathaha. Kshetrasya patina. Somebody is chanting very slow again. Somebody is chanting very slow. Again, match the speed. Kshetrasya patina. Correct. Vayagam hite neva. Jayamasi. Gamashvam. Poshayintvasano. Bridati drishe. That completes Mangala. So the swasti for that is Om Adidevata Pratyadidevata Sahitaya Angarakaya Namaha. Chant Prango. You are going to be the Vadyar. One Vadyar is chanting very separately for extra dakshina. Angaraka graha dosho nirdosho astu. So far so good.
Yay!
Any part you want me to repeat?
No.
Adults have to take a cue from the child. How to cleanly respond. You see, quick. There is a question, there is an answer.
The Soma and Mangala,
Ah.
let us go with the same rhythmic speed. If you can just tell us so that we can have it in the mind and then read like that.
Oh, you want me to chant at the regular speed?
Yeah.
Not full,
Yeah.
full
Yeah,
speed.
because-
Audio is there in the shared audio is there in the shared folder.
Learning speed of the
Audio is there in the shared folder if you want.
You give the aksharams.
Say, I'll give you with pauses so that you can practice with the pause. Yeah. Om apyayasvasametu te vishvatas soma vrishniyam bhavavajasya sangathe apsu me somo abravidantar vishwani bheshaja agnincha vishvashambhuva mapascha vishvabheshajihi gaurimimaya salilani takshatyekapadi dvipadi sa chatushpadi अष्टापदी नवपदी बभूवुषि सहस्राक्षरा परमे व्योमन् ॐ अधिदेवता प्रत्यधिदेवता सहिताय सोमाय नमः सोमग्रहदोषो निर्दोषो अस्तु मंगला मार्स अधिदेवता पृथ्वी अर्थ प्रत्यधिदेवता क्षेत्रपाला homework for you Nirvan. What is kshetrapala before the next class? Om Agnirmurdha Devah Kakutpate Prithivya Ayam Apagam Retagam Sijinvati Syona Prithivi Bhavan Rakshara Niveshani Yachana Sharma Sapratha Kshetrasya Patina Vayagam Hite Neva Jayamasi Gamashvam Poshayintva Sano Mridati Drushe Om Adidevata Pratyadidevata Sahitaya Angarakaya Namaha Angaraka Grahadosho Nirdosho Astu. Now, I've explained quite a few things in the first class about Navagraha. What are all the things that you remember, the most important things? I will go and check the number of views on YouTube. I'm sure it will not be more than 3 or 4. Please go and watch the YouTube. I said there will be a yantra for each of the graha, which you can put as a column on which you can set up the dhanyam, vastram, betel leaves, nuts, and fruits for Naivedya for each of the graha. Then it is set up in a 3x3 matrix. The way it is set up is the locations are fixed with respect to the east, west, south direction and north direction. With respect to Navagraha, the Pradhana Kalasham position is also fixed. With respect to Navagraha and Pradhana Kalasham, the Homakundam direction is also fixed. Second, for every major puja, you will do Navagraha puja. Vadhyar is not going to ask you, shall I do Navagraha puja? Navagraha puja is mandatory.
Yeah.
So that is one thing that you need to do. Even though you set up the 3x3 matrix below the respective yantra and you position the dhanyam and vastram, if you see, Vadhyar will not go from left to right like this. They will go in a particular sequence. They'll start from the center, then they'll go to the right, topmost. They'll change the direction. So you must also know which graham is where in the 3x3 matrix.
Yeah.
Can anyone tell me what are the advantages of learning this from me?
You'll get to know some. You know how to say the words and stuff.
Correct. What other advantages you gain?
You're able to learn it.
How about thinking that when the Vadhyar comes, he doesn't have to give you lots and lots of instructions?
Yeah.
Right? You can chant with the Vadhyar. Vadhyar doesn't
Yeah.
have to say, pick up Akshada, do this, put here, put there, and all this stuff, right?
Mm-hmm.
You can intelligently know where the positions are. You can set it up for the Vadhyar before the Vadhyar comes in. So he can focus more on the puja than doing the setup. So there are many advantages of learning all these things.
You might be able to teach other people.
Yeah. So once you establish and set up all these things before the Vadhyar comes, they will also be motivated to do a lot more. Right? So I will give you the direction.
Be able to teach other people.
Yeah, I will give you the direction in the layout, probably before the end of this Suktam class. So you can use that. That is a gift given by my guru. So I'm just sharing it with all of you.
Oh.
I think we'll stop here.
Yes.
This is a good class. Practice watching the YouTube, audio, etc. And if there is any doubts, send a WhatsApp message offline. All right, take care.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Namaha.
Hare Krishna.